Let's uncover the truth behind hair loss and what you can do about it. Hi, I'm Dr. Purnima Mhatre, and today I am diving into a question that many of us wonder: is hair transplant the only solution when facing hair loss? You might be surprised what I am about to share. Hair transplant becomes necessary when there is significant and irreversible hair loss, which is often caused by genetic factors. The most common cause is hereditary hair loss, also known as androgenetic alopecia. This condition leads to gradual thinning of hair, and in advanced stages, hair transplant is often the best solution. Hormonal imbalances. Conditions like thyroid disorders or PCOS can accelerate hair thinning. Stress and lifestyle. High levels of stress, unhealthy diets, poor scalp care can all contribute to excessive hair loss. Medical conditions or treatments. Certain treatments, such as chemotherapy or chronic illnesses, can lead to temporary or permanent hair loss. When hair loss progresses beyond a certain point, follicles become inactive or dead, making it nearly impossible for hair to regrow naturally. This is where hair transplant becomes a solution to restore hair volume and confidence. While some cases of hair loss are inevitable due to genetics or medical conditions, there are ways to slow down the process. Early intervention. If you notice early signs of thinning hair or excessive shedding, it is crucial to seek help. We offer mane revival treatments and age-enhanced hairline correction to nourish your hair and scalp, stimulating regrowth and strengthening your existing hair before the damage becomes irreversible. Hairline corrections are designed to nurture your follicles, potentially stopping hair loss in its tracks. Non-invasive therapies. We offer advanced treatments like PRP, that is platelet-rich plasma, is a non-surgical procedure which uses your body's own growth factors to stimulate hair follicles and promote regrowth without surgery. Lifestyle and nutrition. A healthy, balanced diet rich in essential vitamins and minerals like biotin, zinc, iron is a key to maintaining hair health. Along with proper scalp care and stress management, this can delay or prevent excessive hair loss. But what if it's too late to avoid hair transplant surgery? Don't worry, we have the solution. At Angel, our follicular fusion hair transplant is a state-of-the-art procedure that carefully transplants your own hair follicles into thinning or bald areas. The results are natural looking, long lasting, and virtually undetectable. Our process isn't about the surgery. We walk with you every step of the way, from consultation to post transplant care, to ensure your hair health and overall satisfaction. So, is hair transplant inevitable? Not always. At Angel Health Center, we are here to help you understand your hair loss journey, whether through prevention or cutting edge restoration techniques. Thank you.
Angel, be the star.